to sensitize students towards the need to preserve our environment and ecology. Tree plantation drive were organized in the college from time to time. In SS Khanna Girls Degree College, such a drive was held under the aegis of Environmental Awareness Program and Personality Development Program of UGC CP Phase 2 from 25th July 2021 to 30th September 2021. The main objective of this extensive plantation program is to commemorate the occasion of One Student, One Tree. As per directives of respected external members of UGC CP Phase 2 under supervision of Dr. Meenu Agrawal, Chairperson UGC College Committee. The program was convened by Dr. Anuradha Singh, Convener Certificate Course Environment Awareness, and Dr. Harish Kumar Singh, Convener Certificate Course of Personality Development. The event was begun with the motivation message by Principal Professor Lalima Singh. She focused on the need for the plantation of trees to fight against climate change, deforestation, global warming, and urged the students and faculty members to contribute wholeheartedly to the mission of One Student, One Tree. Near about 100 students and faculty members participated enthusiastically and creative manner. They shared their videos and photos while performing the activity and uploaded it on their Facebook account and tagged the Hope College Facebook page. The students were highly enthusiastic to make it a big success. Every step of the program was appreciated by the college management, local public, and parents. The program created a great stir among the general public too, with the message nurture nature for a better future. Thank you.
And I am a student of BSc second year of SS Khanna Girls Degree College, Prayagraj. Guys, I want to say one thing to all of you that do plantation around you because it calms your physical body, bringing peace to your busy mind and filling your soul with the essence of universe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sweksha Tiwari, BSc Bio second year of SS Khanna Girls Degree College. I had a great pleasure in participating plantation drive organized by the college. I just wanna say, until you dig a hole, you plant a tree, you water it and make it survive, you haven't done a thing. It's time to protect Mother Nature. So I request to all those watching my video to plant for the better world.